order for you to be able to make a payment, you see my balance here is 0. So what you have to do, you have to come on to banking details, then you will have your banking details here, all banking details here. So you're going to take this into ABSA. So the account type will be this transmission account, account name CIPC, account number will be this one, branch name will be this one. The most important one will be the reference, which is the one that's going to lead you into the account that's going to reflect here. So you can do this with your phone, with whatever you do, because the most important thing, you have to have this before you're able to pay, you know. So the other thing you have to remember, this will not be the same as the one that is going to show up onto yours. Probably the account will be the same, this everything will be the same other than this reference. So you have to make sure you don't put this one, because this one belongs to me, and if you put this one, you would have paid it on my account. So you have to actually be able to know that this one is not yours, this one is mine. You will have your own, which is going to be different from this one. So that's the way it is to be able to pay your account onto the CIPC account, so that you can be able to pay for your registration name, for almost all of this stuff. I'm just gonna show you now. So the company registration is very important. You have to pay $175 for it, and then for your certificate you can get the other one for free, but the official certificate, it was to be paid, I think it's 30 Rand to pay that one. And then there's other things you have to pay for, like domain registration when you get to that, and there's a lot you can see. You can just even watch the videos here and see what you can actually do, but this one was just to be able to show you how you can be able to make that money, so that your balance here will change into something else. So guys, try that one and then see how it works. And thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the next one. Subscribe guys, please subscribe on the channel, and so that you can see more of these videos, because I'm going to show all of you how to do all of this stuff. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.